Mexico has a lot of subtle beauty that's really, in ways, underappreciated. I think people who have been here for years and years really know that beauty and really come to love it. Like, to me, New Mexico has this really beautiful, like, scrappy art scene. A lot of people really pursue art with kind of what they've got and what they can cobble together, and I love that about both Albuquerque and New Mexico. So when I started kind of more seriously pursuing my art practice, I was just extremely drawn to art that explored nature and different nature motifs, looking to our landscape for inspiration. And then earth pigments, I learned about online that you could take rocks that you forage from the landscape, grind them up into dust, and then make paint. And that just like really piqued my curiosity because I thought it would be this like really cool, like it would enrich my art conceptually a lot to have both art that's about nature and made from nature. I work with foraged rocks and minerals to make paint. So I start with a rock like this. This one's from around the Jemez area. And I grind them into a fine dust with a mortar and pestle. We're adding some gum arabic, and that's gonna be the binder for our paint. Gum arabic is derived from like a tree sap. And we're mixing up our paint. This is gonna be a watercolor paint. Gum arabic is water activated. And then the final step with making paint is to use this. And this is called a mueller, and it basically distributes the pigment evenly. That gives us our watercolor paint, all made from foraged rocks. And then I became interested in incorporating the different rocks more into the works. And I came up with these kind of irregular shaped topography paintings. And what they're based on is topographies of the rocks that I use to create the paint. So I first photograph my different rocks before I grind them up into dust. And then I trace them to make basically a topographical drawing of those rocks. And then I make these wood mounts by cutting them out on a CNC router and putting the watercolor paper inside them. So then there's all these different layers of how the painting connects to both the rocks it was made from and the place where it came from. So I'm currently working on a tarot deck using earth pigments as well. And the concept behind it is it shows kind of like the classical archetypes of tarot, but they're all positioned in these canyon lands and New Mexico landscapes where I find my paints. I think I've been drawn to tarot because I love that it's a form of art that then becomes deeply participatory. Once you complete the deck and people start using it, it really like takes on this beautiful life of its own in the form of offering people guidance and advice. I think Albuquerque has this wonderful and deep sense of community around making art, and it's really through this, I'm calling it a DIY spirit. Like a lot of the artists I've met have really just committed to their craft and self-taught and figured it out on their own through like commitment and practice. And I'd like to think my work with earth pigments kind of reflects that in a way. It's taking something really ordinary, really almost like shabby in a way, and transforming it and like giving it a new life.